I welcome you to my YouTube channel Hansraj Marathe Sindabad. Today I will take you to Bandhavgarh. At present I am in Jabalpur, and from Jabalpur I am proceeding to Bandhavgarh via Katni. It's a 185 kilometers journey which may take 3.5 hours. Day before yesterday I came here from Akola Jabalpur distance is near about 560 kilometers, which takes near about 9 to 10 hours. The road is very nice. Now here it was a road map, and from I am staying in Adhatal area, Ramkheda, and from there after 3 kilometers journey I have joined this Kanyakumari to Srinagar National Highway, which is a very nice highway, 4-lane highway, and I will have to continue up to Katni on this road, and from Katni I will have to take a bylane towards Umriya. This road is very nice, and at present it's a cloudy weather in Jabalpur. Driving on this road is a pleasure. On both sides there is greenery, and this entire belt of MP is a wheat belt like Punjab. And now I am proceeding towards Sihora, which is a big area of wheat farming. So
पार्टीला फोकस करायचं म्हणजे काय नाही कळलं का त्याच्यावर मेन तू
weather is cloudy,
फोकस केला
rather haze,
पार्टी घेतलीस पार्टी जेव्हा जवळ येते तेव्हा
so
पार्टीला फोकस
there is
करायचं
not much heat. The temperature is little bit cool due to the cloudy weather. Driving on such a road is a pleasure. One more thing, if I drive at 80 speed, I will reach in 3 to 4 hours at Bandhavgarh. But I am driving slowly to enjoy the ambience, the greenery and the jungle. Now here I am coming across my first toll on this road, and that toll is 130 rupees. The name of the toll gate is Mohatra. After crossing this toll, I will be proceeding towards Katni. I will have to leave this Kanyakumari Srinagar highway at Katni sub road. Now, as I have said, this is a wheat belt. You can see the wheat farms around me. Golden harvest here, miles together. You can see the wheat belt. All around golden shade. And now again the belt of jungle has started. In between the farms there is lush green jungle also. So it is very nice to see the greenery and to drive. So what I have planned, that instead of reaching there within 3 to 4 hours at Bandhavgarh Tala Gate, I am driving very slowly at the speed of 30 to 40 and
असा पुरा फिरो परत
viewing
तिकडे जंगलात
around the jungle, the amphibians, the nature, the beauty, the greenery,
तिकडे जास्त जंगल
and will slowly proceed towards Bandhavgarh.
केलं चालू ठीक.
Now I am proceeding towards the second toll gate on my way. This is a Mahagawa gate which is of 70 rupees, and after crossing this gate I will not have to pay any more tolls because I will leave this road and will turn towards Umriya. So again now there is a jungle around me, and as there are clouds, there is no sun, so the temperature is very comfortable.
माझा चेहरा घेताना मागे घ्यायचा ना.
And in such atmosphere I could sing सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी, सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हंसी. Now I have stopped for my breakfast. It's near about 9 to 9:30. This town is Vilayat Kala, and I am having aloo bonda, palak vada, sabji vada, and with that aloo bonda I have also had jalebi, ordered jalebi. Here in MP, poha jalebi is a very popular and common breakfast, and day before yesterday I have enjoyed it, poha and jalebi. Now today I am trying aloo bonda and palak vada and jalebi. After completing my breakfast I will again proceed towards Umriya, and further I will have to leave this road and join another state highway. Now I will have to leave this main road and take
खाली उतरू ते
subway towards Bandhavgarh. So proceeding towards Umriya.
कार नेक्स्ट लेफ्ट खलती कार गेली ती 18 रुपये चाललाय.
In 400 meters, turn left onto Umaria Madhavgarh Road.
स्पीड ब्रेकर आहे हो. ती बसही थांबली, कारही थांबली होती. बंद करू का?
ते थांब इथे वळायचं.
Turn left onto Umaria Madhavgarh Road.
वळायचं ते याला हे करतो.
Here again I will have to turn on my left. Now from here the road is not that broad. Previously it was a 4-lane highway. Now this is 2-way road.
आलंय तुझ्यात.
बांधवगड उद्यान 29 बंद कर.
Now again the jungle has started around me. I can enjoy the jungle.
हे समोर घ्या, समोरच ठेव. मस्त. त्याचं जे गोल दिसतं ना.
After reaching to Bandhavgarh, I will visit the Talagate booking office because
हा कर.
the safari bookings online. Now this is Bandhavgarh forest gate. I have to make entry into the register. I have to put down my information, my name, car number, from where I came, where I am going, and after jotting down, I will come back to my car and proceed further.
इथे थोडा वेळ.
So the booking process of the Talagate is like that. If we are both Mr. and Mrs. only 2 persons, if we want to travel by gypsy, we will have to book the entire gypsy, which costs near about 6,000 to 6,600. And after booking the gypsy for 2, I cannot again share here. If I get some 4 more persons, I cannot share with them. This is online booking system. But if at all, if I do offline booking, means if now I will reach the booking office, and after reaching to booking office, I can see some more people, 2 or 4 people who can join me, can share the gypsy. These are different gates on the Bandhavgarh route, and Khitauli gate, Magdi gate. So if I can get 4 more persons to join me and share the gypsy, I will be paying only 1,000 to 1,100 rupees per head. Means for both of us I will pay 2,200. So I will try to book in a share capacity. So now here there is jungle on our both side. Now this is Talagate. I am entering into Talagate. On my right side there is a safari booking office, and I will try. It's near about 12 o'clock, so I will try for booking the evening safari. Here I have already booked a White Tiger Forest Lodge of MP Tourism, and which is very nice property. Hey. This is a booking office of the Tiger Safari booking. Some persons are waiting there. I will talk to them whether I can share with them, and they are queuing, and there is a board about the timing, and the timings shown there are at 2:30 the booking counter will start. Before that you have to queue up in the line there, and then they will distribute the forms. So now here I am proceeding towards my White Tiger Forest Lodge.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
थोडं
You
गेटला
have arrived.
Now I am proceeding towards the main gate. Inside there is a big parking area. I will park my car and go to reception, and will have to show him a hard copy of my receipt. And after allotment of my room, I will be served with a welcome drink. And after that, at 1:30 there is a lunch, then high tea, and then dinner, and next day morning tea, and they will give you packets of breakfast. If you are on Tiger Safari, you have to leave at 5:30 from here in jeep. This is my receipt of the payment, and this tariff is 5,588, which includes lunch, tea, dinner, breakfast. So now I am proceeding towards the reception. नाही, ऑफिस इथे नाही आहे. हे खायचं आहे डायनिंगचं. हां आहे. ओके चालेल. I have shown the hard copy of my receipt to the receptionist, and he is allotting me the room. In meanwhile, I am having my welcome drink. So here in White Tiger Forest Lodge, they welcome you in an Indian traditional way. They will put a tilak on your forehead. Yes. And then afterwards, they will serve you a welcome drink, which was orange juice, nice juice. I have arrived at White Tiger Resort in Bandhavgarh. Now I am getting welcome drink. काय सांगितलं? सामानाकरता. त्या बाया बहुतेक सफारी करून आल्या आता. यांचं सफाऱ्या झाल्या, यांनी चेकआउट केलं. After having our welcome drink, we took our luggage. The porter took our luggage and he is proceeding towards our room. You can see a lush green amphibians here, and the cottages allotted to me are near about on the height of 10 feet from the land. Here we have to climb up some stairs. 1 to 7 number rooms. I am being allotted room number 3. जेवण तयार आहे. These are the all different rooms here. You can see lush green amphibians around me. There are trees. There are birds. Here there is also a swimming pool facility, but due to the shortage of time, I won't be able to avail that swimming pool facility, because now it is near about 12:30. We will get fresh, and then at 1:30 the lunch will be served, and after having lunch I will have to rush to the booking counter. Here you can see the room tour. This is cupboard, this is toilet. There are 2 towels, there are toiletries, big mirror, heater, and clean toilet, wardrobe, cupboard, electric kettle with tea sachet, TV, AC, big window. Here it is double bed, and again I will come out of the room to show you the surrounding, the amphibians, lush green amphibians. We are in a jungle area. The feeling is very nice, and now again I can sing सुहाना सफ़र और ये मौसम हसी. Now we are having lunch. In lunch there is a vegetarian soup, vegetable soup, and there is salad, papad, and further there are 3 vegetables. One is a stuffed tomato, another one is a green sabji, and there is a Rajma Chawal, means Rajma is separate, Chawal is separate, but there is a Rajma Chawal, and one more vegetable, that is Paneer Masala, and there is also Bundi Raita, and one more sweet, that is Kheer. And here you have got a lot of options of the rotis, that is tandoor roti, naan roti, and lachha paratha. We have ordered naan roti, and after having our lunch we will rush towards the booking counter. So in all, if you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. You won't have to pay anything. The word subscription misguides sometimes, so kindly subscribe my channel so that you will get my further videos. This is my part 1 of the Bandhavgarh. I have done it in 3 parts because it will be too lengthy to put it into one video. Next video will be of Tala Gate, Bandhavgarh Tiger Safari in the evening safari, and third video will be of the tomorrow morning's Tala Gate Safari. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe. If you want to suggest me something about anything, you can put your comments. I welcome you and your comments to my channel. So thank you for viewing this video up till end. Bye bye, goodbye, see you in next video.